Hello, Twisted Mowers here. Working on Project Overbuilt with the exhaust. Just got it done. I gotta take it off and clean the welds and stuff like that, but I'll show you what it is so far. Alright, this was the header pipe off of a Snapper Zero turn. It already came into one. If it would focus. As you can see, it was one pipe, you know, pre-made like that. I just added a curve to it. Came down. Had a little thing in there. Come down, angle up. My own custom exhaust pipe, which I made over a year ago. It's just that's a 3-inch pipe. No, it's a 2.5 inch pipe. I got a 1-inch pipe inside, different size holes drilled in it. Some of them have angled holes to it, and I just got my own little tip to it. See kind of inside of it. But that's it. So stay tuned for more episodes on this one, and I think the next video I'm gonna do set of wheelie bars. I don't know if I'm gonna put that in the video or not, but like, subscribe, comment, tell me what you think. See ya.